Yeah, basically the gannets, it's a very long breeding season. They've been back since March, the gannets, and they'll still be here till October. There'll be no chicks fledge the nest here until at least mid-August. It's a very long breeding season. They're looking for a mate, and they will mate for life, and they'll breed when they're 5 years old. Now they do build quite substantial nests, big nests with fishing rope and netting hanging out. Those nests don't get washed away in the winter, so at the moment they're sat on a single egg, and then when that chick fledges it looks nothing like the adults. It's dark grey in colour with white spots. So they jump off and they parachute down with their big long wings. So when they're only 3 or 4 weeks old, the male guillemot comes down on the water and he screams at the chick. The chick leaps off